to analyze yourself, after learning, after speaking, after you have done the practice. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lovely and I'm from UP, and this is day 26 of learning English. So how are you all, and what you guys are doing to improve your English? Well, if you ask me, and I started talking on different topics so that I can put my thoughts, my opinions, and what I really feel about those topics. So every day in my every video, I discuss like my thoughts. I put my thoughts, and and test myself, like how I am doing, like how much I'm improving or not. Then I analyze, and along with those things, I try to learn new things, new words, new phrases, idioms, and many more things that can improve my English, that can makes my English shine, isn't it? So, today I have watched a movie in auditorium of my university. One very important thing I forgot about the movie, because as you know, I'm from a field where it is very important to remember the director name, especially the director, okay, or producer. So the film is directed by Anu Singh Chaudhary, and this film is inspired through her real life experience, isn't it? Like the character shown, which has Down syndrome, her sister, uh, Ananya, her name is Ananya as character, okay, and she as Anjali, okay. So she shown the film from her perspective, what she felt about her real life experience, that, and the challenge that we feel while living in the same house with such a person, especially a sibling who has Down syndrome. It is very difficult because sometimes we unable to control our feelings, but somehow we have to manage, because we can't separate our a sibling, because we have equal rights, and after all we are sisters, or we are siblings, so it happens, and we have to live together happily. And it's okay if sometimes we have fight, we don't understand each other, so it's fine. But at the end, we all are part of the family, isn't it? So the movie was fantastic. It shows the uh, relationship, different, what to say, dynamics of a family, and complexity between siblings, their behavior, and their likes, dislikes, they like each other or not, how we really are, in our family, how we behave. So majorly this movie talks about, majorly emphasize on two characters, the siblings, two sisters, which are so opposite, completely different from each other, and they have different thoughts, different opinions, and they are not mentally at same level, isn't it? The name of the movie was Selfie Please, and it was a short film that I have watched. It was shown in the auditorium of my university, and everyone, I think they really felt connected with that movie, because the situation was that that we somehow we have felt, and feel relatable. So it was great, everyone enjoyed, and when the climax scene came, and it was the scene where everyone paid their attention, and they were fully involved in the movie, in the with the characters, they fully get connected with the characters, and it was very relatable, and what happiest moment, and at the end it was very emotional. People can get emotional. I personally got very emotional while the last scene, because it was very, you know what to say, we really feel like how we behave with our siblings and how we should treat them. And so everyone was filled with tears emotionally who are, so I really enjoyed, and the song was great. It was a kind of classical song it was. And so the movie was great. I loved it and I really enjoyed. So I think this is enough for now. So see you in the next video. Okay, hope you like it. If not, let me know. And if you have any suggestion, you can let me know. Okay, so this is how I'm trying to improve my English, while by telling the what to say, by telling something about a day, like what I did, what I learned, and what I felt throughout the day. And and yeah, yeah, I don't wanna forget to analyze myself. So same thing, I would like to recommend you to analyze yourself, after learning, after speaking, after you have done the practice or what you have learned. Okay, you need to analyze yourself to get better results, and something that can make yourself satisfied. Okay, so bye bye, take care, have a wonderful day, and yes, see you in the next video. Bye.